There's an essence of everything, and that's mainly because of the international community that we have here. It's lively and very supportive.
We are doing this because we believe that we need to grow new talent. They come up with new energy and new ideas.
I think I'm most proud about what I achieved and the support that I got throughout the time. The other young professionals, we've all grown together and we've become lifelong friends and grown a strong network.
The Young Professional Program is a recurring event that HSO has done for many years now. We hire new talent, new young people that we want to train in consulting and project management role, and they can do that in an international environment like HSO.
I was a part of the Young Professional Program and I am now a senior consultant. HSO International is very unique as it is an international company with over 50 different nationalities, which allows you to learn not just about consulting and the IT landscape, but about different cultures and how to see the world from different points of view.
For the Young Professional Program, you will be trained with your people around you that are in the same experience. So coming from a different country, being in a small group, learning a lot from each other, from different cultures, and share the same ambitions to grow yourself.
I felt it was the right step for me because I was at the stage of a big shift in my career. To move into a big technology like this without experience, I needed a platform where I can get groomed. So by the time I'm done, I'm here with the skill and with the knowledge, starting from being just a beginner.
The program is 2 years. You start off with 2 days at HSO International where you get to meet and greet people. Then you go to a boot camp for 6 weeks where you learn everything you would need to start off in Dynamics 365, as well as different tools within the Microsoft landscape. Once you are done there, you get a mentor and a team lead at HSO International that'll guide you through the process, and you join teams on international projects across Europe and across the world.
What I enjoy most about the program is that I learn a lot, but as I learn, I'm also able to apply it on projects. So I have this side-by-side experience that I get to have. I have mentors who help me in my projects, and I also have clients where I deliver all these learnings to. So it's definitely a very enriching experience.
The group that you join with becomes almost like a family away from home. You grow together, you learn together, and it becomes a tight-knit community within that Young Professional Program.
When I look at my future after the Young Professionals program, I see myself as a trustworthy consultant who is able to build good customer relationships, and also someone who possesses very strong potential in my functional and technical expertise with the Microsoft Dynamics domain.
If you're ambitious and you want to grow yourself in the next couple of years to become a better version of yourself, this is a fantastic opportunity to participate in.
My advice to you is take the leap, join HSO International, it'll be the best decision you've made.